it out. Whoa, look at the tracks. Come on, let's go up to the next level. Sure is cool, huh? Wow. It's gonna be windy. You know what's cool, Anthony? I had no idea this was so close to home. We're always, you know how we're always looking for a place next to the railroad tracks? Well, this is a place above them. Wow! I got it. Another one, ambulance. Maybe we'll see one more? I see the ambulance at the red light. You see him? Look through the... You see him? I see the fire truck too. In the ambulance. Let's go up a little bit higher to the top. Whoa! Now we can't see anything on this part, so if we want to look for a train we have to go on like the edges.